Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing day 19 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem and today's everything. Because the contest, I believe, at least in my local time, I guess in everyone's local time, is about an hour away. So I will treat this as a warm-up. Let me know what you think, and if it's a little bit too slow, watch it on the fastest speed. Today's problem is 394 decode string medium problem. Okay, so... okay, that seems pretty straightforward. Maybe. What does this mean? Okay, so then you have K and then this encoded string. Are there any loopy ways? Like, okay, so there is. Okay. Okay. I mean, I think so. One thing I would say is that there's no way to do this beyond there's no way to do this you know, in a good way, because you know, you have to output the entire string, right? So that means that at the very least you have to kind of generate a string. So I don't think there's any clever way of doing it, so let's just start doing it. And in this case it becomes a parsing problem, at least to start. And if you've been watching me on Advent of Code, that's what I've been doing a lot lately on Twitch. I haven't been streaming on Twitch that much, but I do for Advent of Code because it is a fun thing. Okay, so let's kind of just get started. I mean, I think the rules are pretty straightforward. Basically, you see a number, and then you just kind of yeah, you see a number, and then you get the next thing, and then you just parse it out, right? Okay. Let me think. One fun way to do it is you can actually use regex to change this into a UL above statement, and then just return the UL. But yeah, let's not do that, I suppose. But yeah, I mean, there are a couple of ways you can do it. I think you can do this by recursion. You can do this by you can do this with like a stack. I'm actually kind of bad at this. I am, at least for this kind of thing. Maybe I could think about this as a way to practice as well, because recursive descent is probably the way to go. But I'm always kind of, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I'll do the n square way, and then maybe I'll kind of look up ways to do it in linear time, or not look up ways, but just like think about it in a little bit later, because it's not so bad. But maybe I'll do it that way. Okay, fine. Let's see what we can do, right? So let's just say we have a stack, and then now for C and S for each character, and then if C is numeric, what do? Let's just say we push it on the stack. Yeah, let's just put it on the stack, and then let's just say we have an answer. Let's just make it an array. So this is numeric. We push it on the stack, kind of, and this is if stack of -1 is numeric, or if length of stack is equal to 0, or this thing. Okay, actually, if this or stack is not numeric, then we just push on a stack. I think the way that I'm going to do it, they're all going to be numeric. Maybe. We'll see. Else, if stack is numeric, in this case we want to, so the reason why I do it this way is because I want to pop from the top and then concat that with the character C, so that basically, for example, if you have like 20, it'll just put 20 on the top of the stack, something like that. Maybe, I don't know, maybe this is a little yucky, we'll see. Okay, That's if it's numeric. And then if C is equal to this, then we just push it on the stack. Yeah. And then else, if C is equal to this, we pop it off the stack. That means that we have, maybe we don't need this here then. That means that we, what does that mean, right? That means that we pop it off. So that means that everything that we have so far inside the string, we'll keep on, Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to think about the clean way of saying it. But basically, then we just keep on popping until we see this thing. And then we get the number that's before that, right? So, yeah, so let's just say, and we might have to do like some reverse thing or something like that, but that's fine. While stack dot, the top one is not equal to this thing, the open bracket. Let's just append dot pop. And then when we get out of this, that means that the top is the thing. So then we pop off the autocorrect keeps on adding the other half. That's why, or autocomplete, whatever. And then now we look at the previous thing to see if there's a number, right? If length of stack is greater than 0 and stack is numeric, then we actually pop the number. X is equal to int of this pop then, and then we push back x, the number, times this r thing. Though I think this is backwards, to be honest. So let's do. And then let's point out what the stack looks like at the end. I think maybe we're good, but maybe we're not. Oh, well, it's not good because we don't do yeah, otherwise, if it's any character, we just append this. We just put it on the stack, right? Like if it's an A or it's a 2 or whatever. Okay, so that looks good. Let's try a few more. I also want to try the double-digit ones, which is not in this thing. Okay, so seems like I actually, not gonna lie, I actually did not expect this. I've been a little bit out of practice on this for some reason. To be honest, I should be better about this, but I'm not. So I don't know. Is there an inner one? I guess this one's the inner one. So let's add in some extra numbers so that I am sure that I parsed 2 digits correctly. I mean, in theory, we should also try 3, but maybe we'll get a long thing. But that looks good. So let's add one more digit. Okay. That looks good. So let's give it a submit. I did it first time correct last time. Hopefully this time as well. Yes. Just as good as I was a year ago, at least on this problem. What is there to say about this one? Yeah, I mean, I think you can do this with recursive parsing as well. Though I've been kind of bad about those in general, to be honest. I don't know. Let me know what you think. And yeah. Good luck on the contest and stuff like that. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later, and take care. Bye-bye. I actually forgot to analyze the complexity. Oh, man, I haven't stopped that well lately. I've been a little bit off. But yeah, so to go over the complexity and the timing and the interviewness of this really quick, I could very easily see this as an interview question. So definitely practice on stuff like this. Stack, especially a problem that is only a stack and parsing and nothing else. I would really consider it base level skill in terms of like, if you only get this, you're probably a little bit lucky. So yeah, so definitely be practicing this. This is linear time, linear space. The stack will take up linear space in the worst case, and linear time because we look at each character at most once. Keeping in mind that each character, even though there's a while loop here, each character only gets pushed once and only popped once. So that means that each character would only do all one work, which means that this is all of one time. Oh, sorry, all one time per character, which is all of n's time. So yeah, linear time, linear space, and that's why I have. And then now, for real, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Stay good, stay healthy. I'll see you later. Good luck on the contest if you're doing it. Bye-bye.